Now it's Opus 4.8. GG's boys, you got the models now. Welcome to the video. I am Anirudh and I will be showing you how to get Opus 4.8 as well as ChatGPT 5.5 for free use. The provider which I am going to show you currently at the moment is providing these for free, but these are limited. Search for Landoc, LNGDOCK. Search, and you need to get to the first website. Click it. And the meanwhile, select the free trial. Okay, so I am logging with my Gmail ID. Contribute Gmail. Here I am going with the Gmail. Continue. And we are good to go again. Tap any name that you want. I'm writing the his HISS. Okay. Okay, you need to give your company name, employees, and country. Company name 41. Employees 1 to 100. Continue. And job title, that is any, no, nothing. Write a number, give anything of 10 digits. Is that 10 digits? 3, 6, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Not interested. Skip. And there we go. So okay, welcome to the Landoc. Okay, we can chat. We have agents. We have prompts. Help you get the most out of the workspace. Okay. And connection and integrations. It's just like our Claude. And okay, maybe later. And now the main thing. The models. Here. From GPT 5.4 mini to 0.155 mini, Sonnet 4.6, 4.5 Gemini. Okay, we don't have that currently. So okay, and we are here for Sonnet, no, Opus 4.8 and ChatGPT 5.5. Now look at it properly. How I'm going to start get the okay, look at this properly, how I'm going to get it. So here we have this eight available models. Click on it. Okay, powerful and fast. Hosted in the EU. There are only 12 out of 14 enabled. It's like 5.5. Okay, now we got GPT 5.5 here, and now here we have mod GPT 5.2 Pro. Okay, I will take it. Anthropic. Now 3 out of 8. Okay, fables. What is it? By using fables, you're asking the model providers to input. No, I don't want one input. Okay, Opus 4.8. No problem, brother. 4.7. Okay, done. Google तो छोड़ो, देखना ही नहीं है अपने को. And done. Okay, now I'm going back here, auto, and I will be using 5.5. Okay, let's see. Hey, which model am I using? This annoying shit Copilot. GPT 4 5.5. Let's see. Okay, done. Let me switch the model to Sonnet. Oh no, Opus 4.8. Hey, now what's the model? Now it's Opus 4.8. GG's boys, you got the models now, you can use it. But there's one more thing which I should mention before anything, or else you will tell me I am a liar. Okay, let's go to billing and see. We are getting 5 euros credit. We are getting the credit of 5 euros, which is equivalent to $5 USD. So I guess this is a generous amount for us to use it, like, because these are for just test purpose, so that you can invest in them before. I mean, you can get a free trial before using them and before investing in them. So it's for that purpose. And now, how to use them permanently? Okay, again, here, this is a temp mail. Again, coming to the temp mail website, and when you are done with one and you have finished the credit for the one, just press refresh or delete. Okay, now it's loading again, and here you go, a new email. Now you can just copy it and use into that. Again, you can just give random numbers, random names, random employees, and all. Okay, start a free trial. Let's start the free trial. Okay, here we have to give your Gmail first. Do this captcha. Okay, I'm pasting the email here, and I will be continuing with my email F11. Okay, try this one. Here, see here, I got, tap any name that you want. I'm writing the his HISS. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe if you like it. More content will be provided here.